Today we're working at Greek restaurant named Sovla. Very nice restaurant. We are working on a walk-in cooler, relocating the condenser unit to a new location. Hopefully they'll have a running walk-in cooler soon. Thank you, and see you later. Basically, we're building a platform for the new condenser unit that is going to be relocated from the top of the roof about 30-40 feet away. It's going to be relocated at this platform. So this platform has to be built by all the levels to make sure that the unit works properly. Because it's going to be condenser, compressor, new tubing going to be installed to that condenser unit. Fridge? Yeah, speaking. If you go to our website 911fridge.com and fill out the form, contact form, address, name, and the short description, we'll just respond to that email that we will receive and just confirm that we have an appointment today around 7. And once we're on the way, we're gonna text you 30 minutes in advance that we are on the way. the compressor is off. Checking the power, no power. No power. No power. No power. Good. And we still have power here. That's what we wanted. Good. This is the nitrogen. This brand new tank. We have to take nitrogen out, and then we have to vacuum the recovery tank, and then we can put refrigerant into that tank. So now we are vacuuming the recovery cylinder. It's a brand new cylinder, has nitrogen in it, so we have to take the nitrogen out, and then we're going to be recovering this unit, and the refrigerant is going to go from this unit to this recovery tank by EPA rules. We got 2 pounds now, it's almost going to be 3 pounds soon. So we run high side, low side piping all the way from the walk-in cooler all the way to the condenser unit, and the piping goes all the way down, like 40, 50, 60 feet of piping, high and low side. We build a platform out of unistruts as a supporting system for the new location of the condenser unit. And the contractor built the enclosure for
for our condenser unit. It's working fine for over 4 months and customer is so happy. Sovla project is completed successfully. The walking cooler works. We just checked it with the chef. Everybody's happy. Thank you.